Welcome to ChatGPT Mastery, staying current and troubleshooting like a pro. In this video, we'll show you how to keep up with the latest advancements and best practices in the use of ChatGPT and how to troubleshoot and debug issues that may arise when using ChatGPT, so that you can get the most out of this powerful tool. First, let's talk about staying informed about the latest updates and features of ChatGPT. One way to do this is by following the official blog or social media accounts of the developers of the tool, where they will often post updates and announcements. Additionally, subscribing to relevant news outlets or online communities in your industry will also give an update about the tool's advancements and features. Next, let's talk about staying informed about best practices and use cases for ChatGPT. One way to do this is by participating in online forums or communities of ChatGPT users, where you can share your own experiences and learn from others. Additionally, attending webinars or workshops on ChatGPT can be an effective way to learn new strategies and techniques for using the tool. Another way to stay informed is by reading academic papers and research on the application of ChatGPT in various fields and industries, to gain a deeper understanding of the tool's capabilities and potential use cases. By staying informed about the latest developments and best practices in the use of ChatGPT, you'll be able to use the tool to its full potential and achieve the best outcomes for your business or projects. Some of the ways to stay up to date on the latest developments and best practices in the use of ChatGPT. Participate in online communities and forums dedicated to ChatGPT. These communities are often filled with experienced users who are willing to share their knowledge and answer questions. They are also a great place to discover new use cases, tricks, or best practices of the tool. Connect with experts in the field by attending conferences or workshops about ChatGPT. Many experts give presentations and workshops on how to use the tool to its full potential. Follow key influencers and experts on social media. Many experts in the field regularly share their insights, tips, and best practices on platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, or Medium. Keep an eye out for new research and publications in the field. Research papers and articles published in journals or conference proceedings can provide valuable insights into the latest advancements in the field and how to apply them in different scenarios. Consider taking a certification course or other form of professional training specifically focused on ChatGPT to gain a deeper understanding of the tool and learn best practices and the most recent developments. By doing these steps, you can stay informed about the latest developments and best practices, and you will be better equipped to use ChatGPT effectively and take advantage of its full potential. Next, how to troubleshoot and debug issues that may arise when using ChatGPT. In this video, we'll show you how to identify, diagnose, and resolve common issues that may arise when using ChatGPT. First, let's talk about how to identify the issue. A good place to start is to examine the error messages or notifications that ChatGPT provides, as they can often provide clues as to what's causing the problem. It's also important to take note of any recent changes or updates that may have occurred, such as updates to the software or changes to the input data. Next, let's talk about how to diagnose the issue. This often involves some detective work and experimentation. Try rerunning the task or process with a different set of inputs to see if the problem persists. It can also be helpful to check the documentation and troubleshooting guides provided by the developers of ChatGPT. If you still can't find the root of the problem, consider seeking help from the developers or other experts in the field. Finally, let's talk about how to resolve the issue. Once you have identified and diagnosed the problem, the next step is to implement a solution. This may involve making changes to the ChatGPT configuration, updating or replacing inputs, or applying a patch or workaround provided by the developers. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to troubleshoot and debug issues that may arise when using ChatGPT, and ensure that you can continue using the tool effectively. For example, you can look into the logs provided by ChatGPT. In most cases, these logs contain detailed information on what went wrong, and can be a valuable resource in diagnosing the issue. Check the input data you're providing to ChatGPT. Ensure that it conforms to the expected format, has the correct structure, and all the necessary fields. Try to reproduce the issue in a controlled environment. Isolating the problem in a test scenario can help to narrow down the cause and find a solution. Check for any recent updates or changes to the system or software. Sometimes, the issue could be caused by a bug that was fixed in the latest update. Refer to the official documentation and troubleshooting guides provided by the developers. They often contain information about known issues, troubleshooting steps, and workarounds for common problems. Seek help from the community or experts in the field if you are still having trouble troubleshooting the issue. They might have encountered the same problem before and could provide valuable insights on how to fix it. By following these steps, you will be able to identify, diagnose, and resolve issues more effectively and have a better understanding of the inner working of ChatGPT. The more you understand the tool, the more capable you are to solve any problem that may arise.